We have the kneeling push-up. So make sure your knees are on a soft surface. If your knees are painful, if you've had surgery on them and putting pressure on your knees, and even if it's a soft surface, then you could avoid this by doing box push-ups. But this is a very close second to the regular push-up because we are actually on the ground. Our body is in a very similar position. So we're going to keep our body, our butt, and our abs nice and tight. Our neck is pulled back slightly so it's in line with our spine. Notice as I go down, my chest goes forward a little bit towards my fingertips. Come back up to the starting position.